So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.
First of all, I would like to thank Evision and the team for guiding me the proper channel. My name is Monika Singhal. Basically, I am from Gurgaon and I have done BTech in the field of electronics and communication engineering in 2013. I have an experience in mobile sector, and when I came to know about Evision, I just joined Evision Technosub Pvt Ltd. And I got placed in Globtier Infotech Pvt Ltd.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.